How to replace the printhead in your HP Smart Tank 5103 printer. First step is switch on the printer and just place a page on the scanner bed to copy and click on the copy button. Now once your printhead starts to moving, unplug the power cable. So printheads are moving, the sound is there, so we'll just unplug it now. Open the front chamber. Just move the printheads to the middle. You can just slide it. Press this button down. It will unlock the printheads. Press the printhead down and take it out. That is the black. Press the color printhead down and remove it. Take your new printhead and install it there. Place the color on the color side, slide it in and push it in. It will lock. Then the black, and then push the blue lock down. Now close the ink chamber. Plug in the power cable. Wait for the printer to start. The printer just started and everything looks okay, and now we can resume our normal printing. Thanks for watching.